I know a lot of people are going to ask how much something like this costs. Mr. Mike, to tint a Mark X like this, how much do you charge?
Mark X like this one, I charge 300 kwacha.
How's it, guys? So today we're working on the Mark X. We need to fix the tint. I'll turn the camera around the other way so you can see what we need to fix. Alright, so this is the Mark X. We've got a couple of things to do. We need to darken that a little bit. I've been unable to find somebody who can do a very light tint on the car, so finally I got a contact from Chityaka photography, and so we're gonna leave him with the car so that he can take as much time as he needs to tint the whole car except the front glass. Then we're gonna be changing these tires for a little bit of a bigger profile so that we can just raise the front a little bit. As you can see, my lip is suffering a lot. Yeah, so that's what we have planned today. We'll see if we can squeeze in the lights to get them polished. But yeah, we'll be working on the tint. The tint is gonna be about 3 hours or so. Then we're gonna go get some tires to sort out the ride height problem, and then maybe we can get the lights polished, and that will be sorted for the Mark X. And then maybe in another video we can do a little bit of service. So just a walk around of a Mark X. It's a pearl white paint with some BBS rims on it. This one is a 300G, so it's full leather, sport steering wheel, seat warmers, the navigation package. That little thing is interesting. So yeah, I know Z Gear will be doing a review on a Mark X, so please be sure to subscribe to their channel so that you can learn more about the Toyota Mark X, that there's more than meets the eye. Alright, stay tuned. Currently this is what the car looks like without the tint. So when Mike is done doing his thing, we are going to take an after video, and then you can have a look and see what his tint work looks like, how good he is, and what the overall result of a medium tint is like.
One eternity later.
Alright, so Mr. Mike is almost done. It's looking good so far. The back window is tinted, as you can see. And right away you can already see that the passenger window is got its tint on and it's cleanly put. These services are available to anyone that wants them. I'm going to put his name and phone number in the description below so that you can reach out to him and he can come and meet you wherever you are, or you can agree where to meet and he can give you the service that you require. I know a lot of people are going to ask how much something like this costs. Mr. Mike, to tint a Mark X like this, how much do you charge?
Mark X like this one, I charge 300 kwacha.
300 kwacha. So this includes the labor and the material required?
Yes.
Okay.
Everything.
Alright, so he has different shades of tint. I think he's got the darkest and the one we've installed on the car today, which is a light tint. So that's the front glass that doesn't have a tint on it. We're currently on Independence Avenue, and that's the side glass that has tint on it. I'll try and put both of them into focus so you can see the difference. I think it's a little bit clear that the passenger window is a little bit darker than the front windscreen. This one is the one closer to me. I'll try and put both of them in focus so you can see. I think that one shows it very clearly that the sun is hitting harder on the left side here than it is on the right side where the passenger glass has been tinted. tires have been changed, they've been balanced, and I can confirm that the car has risen a little bit on the front, giving me just the clearance that I need to clear stuff. The sun is now out bright. If you look at my hand, you can see that the tint is providing the necessary shade. So I'm just going to open the door so you can see the difference between when the tint is on and when the tint is off. So you can see now that I've opened the door, you can see that the sun is really bright out, and the difference is really immense and providing what I needed for the interior of the car. So the car will now stay cool. So we're standing in direct sunlight, and from far you can see that the tint is dark, but it doesn't affect the visibility when you're inside the car. So you can see on the other side, where we're not in direct sunlight, that you can actually see the inside of the car, but not too clearly, but just dark enough to keep the sun out. So yeah, I hope this satisfies the need we wanted. Let me just show you the rays in the front. So before, this lip would be here, and now if you look at it from here, you can see that there's about that much height increase. So that should help us clear as much stuff as we can. So we got some Dunlop Durenzas. This car is a daily, so they should do well. The speed rating is also good, so some road trips should be nice. I'm hoping for this to settle so it can have a better clearance like at the back. But yeah, I think the mods for this car are done for now until we move on to the next thing. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share with everybody.
Hello, hey, wagwan. Ninshile Chityaka wagwan. Washimuri kenge wagwan. Katulipamo punkamo wagwan. Punkamo wagwan. Katulipamo wagwan. Ninshile Chityaka wagwan.